Hey there and welcome back to another video in this channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can use JustMarkets to withdraw your money or you can deposit it. So you can just tap onto this, become a real trader, and you will get a real account of JustMarkets. As this is just a demo account, I'm going to show you how you can withdraw or deposit money. If you want to deposit money, you have to tap onto this top right corner and you have to deposit money, choosing your ways. You have to get started. Now you have to tap onto this option, then follow all the prompts it will show you. And now let's say you want to withdraw money, then here you go, you can see this option withdrawal. Simply you have to tap onto it and then tap onto get started. Now it will send a code, you have to confirm your account, then you have to enter other personal information and profile information, and then you will be able to withdraw your money very easily. So that's it, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care, goodbye.